Welcome to GetGlimpse channel. Trust Wallet is a popular non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, manage, send, receive, buy, sell, and swap a wide variety of digital assets across numerous blockchain networks. It's known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features, making it a good choice for both beginners and experienced crypto users. Here is a complete beginner's guide for it. So key features of Trust Wallet include multi-coin support, manage millions of crypto assets and NFTs across over 100 blockchains. It's also non-custodial, so you have full control over your private keys and funds. It has a user-friendly interface and it also has built-in DApp browser. So directly access decentralized applications, that is DApps, like decentralized exchanges, DEX, DeFi protocols, and NFT marketplaces. It also has in-app swaps. You can also purchase cryptocurrencies directly with a credit or debit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay through third-party providers. You can also earn passive income by staking supported cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. It also has NFT support, so you can store and manage your non-fungible tokens. It also has security features. It has passcode or biometric protection, private key encryption, and a security scanner to identify potential risks. It's an open source. It also has Trust Wallet Token, TWT. Trust Wallet's native token, offering benefits like transaction fee discounts and participation in governance. So let's get started now with Trust Wallet. We shall start with the first step, where we need to download and install Trust Wallet. This is how to do that. Open Google Play Store or App Store. In here, search for Trust Wallet. Now, install the application on your device. Once it's installed, launch the Trust Wallet app once done. Now, in here, we shall need to create a new wallet. So tap on this option. Go ahead and read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy, and then create passcode or PIN. So set a strong 6-digit passcode or enable biometric authentication for an extra layer of security. The third step is to back up your recovery phrase. This is crucial. This is the most important step. Your 12-word recovery phrase is the only way to restore your wallet if you lose your device, uninstall the app, or forget your passcode. So write it down. Write this down on paper in the exact order shown. Also, store securely offline. Keep this paper safely. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Anyone who has it has full access to your funds. So also confirm phrase. Trust Wallet will ask you to re-enter the words in the correct order to ensure you have saved it correctly. Once you have successfully backed up your recovery phrase, your Trust Wallet is ready to use. You'll see your main wallet dashboard. Now this is how to use Trust Wallet. First, we shall start with receiving cryptocurrency. So this is how to receive that. So select asset first. On the main wallet screen, tap on the cryptocurrency you wish to receive, e.g. Bitcoin or Ethereum or BNB. Go ahead and click Receive. This will display your unique public wallet address and a QR code. Copy this address or scan QR code. So you can just tap copy to copy the address to your clipboard, or scan QR code so the sender can scan the QR code directly. Now share with sender. Share this address with the person or exchange from whom you want to receive crypto. Go ahead and confirm. So once the sender initiates the transaction, it will appear in your wallet after it's processed on the blockchain. Now let's get to sending cryptocurrency. Go ahead and first select asset on the main wallet screen here. Tap on the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Tap send. Enter recipient address. So paste the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code. Double check the address carefully. Sending to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. Now enter amount. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Review the details. Confirm the details of the transaction, including the network fee or gas fee. The network fee is paid to the blockchain miners or validators, not to Trust Wallet. Now confirm transactions. Go ahead and click confirm or send to broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. You can track its status within the app. Let's get to buying cryptocurrency. Tap buy on the main wallet screen or from within a specific coins page. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. enter amount and currency. So enter the amount you wish to spend and select your preferred fiat currency, whether it's USD or euros. And then go ahead and also select provider. Trust Wallet integrates with various third-party payment providers, including MoonPay, Transact. Select one and review their fees and available payment methods. Now go ahead and complete purchase. You will be redirected to the provider's website to complete the transaction, which may involve identity verification, that is KYC. Your purchased crypto will be sent to your Trust Wallet once the transaction is processed. Let's get now to swapping tokens. Trust Wallet has a built-in swap feature, often leveraging decentralized exchange, that is DEX, aggregators to find the best rates. Tap Swap located in the bottom menu and then select Assets. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap from and the cryptocurrency you want to swap to. Enter the amount. Input the amount you wish to swap and then review the swap details, including the exchange rates and network fees. Then go ahead and confirm the swap, and then you can complete the transaction. Let's get to interacting with DApps or decentralized applications or DApps. So Trust Wallet's DApp browser allows you to connect with various decentralized applications. Tap browser or DApps located in the bottom menu and then use the browse or search. You can browse popular DApps or enter the URL of the DApp you want to connect to and follow any other simple steps to connect to it. Let's get to staking cryptocurrency. Tap discover or earn. This one is located in the bottom menu. Select staking. Choose asset. So select a supported cryptocurrency you wish to stake, e.g. BNB, Cardano, Cosmos, and many more. Then just follow prompts. The app will guide you through the staking process, including selecting a validator and entering the amount to stake. Then confirm. Confirm the transaction to begin earning rewards. Now, these are some of the security best practices. Secure your recovery phrase. This is paramount. Write it down, store it offline in multiple secure locations, and never share it with anyone. Trust Wallet will never ask you for it. Another security practice is to enable passcode or biometrics. Always use a strong passcode or biometric authentication to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Also, be aware of phishing scams. Only download the official Trust Wallet app from official app stores or the Trust Wallet website. Be cautious of fake websites, emails, or messages asking for your recovery phrase or private keys. Now, verify addresses as well. Always double check the recipient's wallet address before sending transactions. Again, start small. When sending funds to a new address, consider sending a small test amount first to ensure it arrives correctly. Also, keep your Trust Wallet app updated to the latest version to benefit from security enhancements and new features. Another security feature is to disconnect DApps. After using a D app, it's good practice to disconnect your wallet from it within Trust Wallet's Wallet Connect settings for added security. So by following this guide, beginners can confidently set up and navigate Trust Wallet to manage their digital assets securely. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.